to recover Facebook account if you no longer have access to it. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. So if you don't have access to your Facebook account, then you won't be able to enter your phone number and password. So for that, you need to go to your Google Chrome, and in the search bar you have to type for Facebook forgot password. After that, you'll be able to see the first link which is written is forgot password. So you have to tap and open that. So here it is asked to enter your mobile number, but if you don't have access to your mobile number, you can also enter your email address. But if you don't have access to your email address, then you can enter your name of your Facebook. For that, you have to tap on the search by your email address or name instead, which is written in blue letters. So tap on that. So here you can enter your name. After that, you have to tap on search, and here your accounts will be displayed. So if you are not in your list, then you have to tap on I am not in this list option, then another action will be taken. But if you are in this list, then you can tap on your profile, and from here you can select the media where you want to receive the code and log into your account. And by following this simple step, you can recover Facebook account if you no longer have access to it. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.